Hi guys, Tiggy from the bed. So, it's 4 a.m. Dubai. Luto ako guys ng kakanin. Biko ni Malagba. Biko ni Idas. This is the new new technique how to make biko shortcut. So, tuturuan ko kayo ng aking pinagbabawa na technique or on my recipe by Igas TV. So, ang gagawin ko guys is nag-build na ako ng malagkit yan. So, kasi so, ang gagawin ko yung pang-ingredients ko guys is coconut milk, and then ube condensed, yan. Saka yung pinayot niya yun. Yan. Pinayot na po. So, ito yung fresh. Tignan natin yung Tawa tayo ng pangalo. Titignan natin siya kung pwede na. So, ang gagawin kong technique guys is dito ko na rin siya para yung non-sticky na. Yan guys, lalagay ko na yung gata. So, paano yung ginit na yun? Then, tubig condensed ang gagamitin natin guys. Ayan. Nakakita ko lang yung paggawa ng shortcut ng biko ni Hi guys, chili. Possible chili, ganyan siya guys. Then, hahaluin natin siya. Ano guys, low fire lang siya. Yan yung ano guys, shortcut yung paggawa ng biko. I did not use sugar. What I use is ube condensed. Any kind of brand na ube condensed. We have also a pandan flavor if you want. So yun guys. Yun yung guys. Try this guys and definitely you will like it. Before I already try once, this is second time, which is successful naman siya guys. Kaya ako ginagawa to guys is magbabawon ako sa work kasi malapit ng Christmas, di ba? So puso na mga kakanin like puto, bibingka, any kind of kakanin na lutong Pinoy. So, yan guys. Yan, as you can see. Yan. So, bitawan ko muna yung hawak-hawak kong cellphone para mahalo ko siyang maigi. Kasi wala akong holder. Nasira. So, yan guys. Nilagyan ko ng brown sugar kung gusto nyo ng medyo mas matamis. Additional brown sugar or you can use to condense. So ang aking ginawa guys is nilagyan ko ng brown sugar, not coffee milk. Pinaglagyan lang yung coffee milk guys. So ito na yung pinaka finished product guys ng ginawa kong ala biko ni Hi Guys TV. Yan. flavor siya with young coconut na kinayon. So, simple tips from Highways TV, guys. You can make the alabico with the combination of gata and condensed milk. If you want more creamier, I will suggest you can put more gata or condensed if you want more sweet. Yan. Sa akin, guys, is nilagyan ko na lang siya ng brown sugar kasi medyo isang piraso lang yung nabili ko na condensed OB flavor. So you can make also pandan flavor if you want. So yun, guys. So yan ang babawalin ko sa work. Ayan. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you can get a small idea from my video. So shout out sa branded by Ukay Ukay. Shout out kay Kuradel and all the members of Branded by Ukay Ukay. Make a shout out and advance Merry Christmas.